When we mention home decorating or home decorating ideas, we mistakenly assume that we require a large budget to work with. However, not all interior decorating of your living spaces calls for such significant investments of both time and money. Following such concerns, this article seeks to highlight 10 home decorating ideas you can employ to refresh your living space in as little time as just one weekend. 1. Furniture rearrangement. The belief that rearranging furniture is an undertaking for those moving houses is long outdated. Home decorating ideas such as shifting the position of your couch diagonally, for example, are simply quick fixes that help create the illusion of breathing room in a narrow space. Another useful trick is incorporating intriguing angles, which can be achieved by a slight movement of furniture to the left or right. 2. Paint a wall. Nothing adds character in life to a room more than a splash of your favorite color on a wall. Incorporating an accent wall not only gives your space a focal point, but it will help your space stand out in 2020. You can achieve this by painting a bold color on a wall, using wallpaper to add patterns and texture or stenciling. You should, however, ensure your choice is in harmony with other decors in the room despite the different shadings. The tapestry can also aid in achieving pattern and color as it is more versatile and flexible. It is not only stylish, but also adds to the overall uniqueness as it creates a sense of softness in the room. 3. Bring in plants. Going green equates to improved quality of life, and in the case of home decorating, it adds life to your place in the form of color and fresh air. There is a myriad of options from live plants, which are great emotional relievers, to the artificial kind that are made from silk. 4. Roll out the rug. Area rugs are an excellent way to define different sections of a room, such as conversation areas. To effectively use this home decorating idea in your place, rug selection is of great importance. Your choice should be advised by your current color scheme to help you create harmony and control in the entire space seamlessly. Layout angles are also a great way to reflect your personality in your area. 5. Hang pictures or mirrors. Displaying your collection of art or photography on a wall as a home decorating idea not only adds character to spaces, but also grants you ownership of the place. Simplicity in your variation is bound to give better results as you mix up ornate frameworks. When working with mirrors, opt for oversized pieces, positioning them such that they reflect intriguing views. 6. Group figurines. Groupings of your treasured collectibles are a fantastic way to show off your personality. Once you have identified your display area, related items should form a cluster arranged in sets of 3 or 5 with varying shapes and sizes for additional character. Playing around with different shapes and sizes is a terrific optical trick, adding on to the overall attractiveness of the room. 7. Decorative pillows. These are perfect possession for interior decorating of living spaces as they add texture and pattern to your rooms. They quickly transform your sofa and thus are great for transitioning towards significant makeovers. 8. Replace lamps. The appearance of your lamps is of importance as every other aspect of your room decor. You should thus purchase modern lamps, that is, statement pieces, as well as improved lighting. 9. Put a throw on the couch. These decorative pieces tend to have similar effects as the decorative pillows. They add texture and character to furniture and thus can be an excellent alternative to upgrading to simple couch. They come in different textures, patterns, and fabric as either naturals or artificial. Therefore, there is a high likelihood of finding one that meets your style. 10. Declutter. Clutter can quickly discount the effort that goes into incorporating home decorating ideas in your place. Identify storage spaces for items such as children's toys, seasonal decorations, clothing, and other things that may deduct from the overall character of a room. In conclusion, home decorating is all about fooling the eye. Hence, you should embrace this undertaking as an adventure rather than an obligation. This change in perspective will enable you to incorporate these tips and tricks with ease. The result, a smoother decorative venture. Did you like this video? Feel free to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button